Alpha Features, probably the most goated platform and cheapest in the industry. That's why in this video, I'm going to cover exactly everything you need to know from the evaluation all the way to the Express account and how you can actually withdraw your money. So let's get right into it. It's going to be nice, quick, and easy video. Alpha Features, starting it off, we're going to be going over the zero plan. And yes, you're going to say, Alexander, why are you saying cheapest? It's $99 a month, yes, but there's no activation fee. Guys, for those that don't know, when you pass and reach that 3K target, which I'll get into, don't worry, there is on average on other accounts, other funded accounts, is about $150 activation fee. Absolutely insane. But Alpha Features zero, there's no activation fee. So once you pass, you are in. So starting it off, minimum trading days, 1 trading day. Guys, you can pass the account in legit 1 day. You can pass it in 2 hours if you want. Absolutely insane. But you need to reach a profit target of $3,000. Maximum position size is 3 contracts. This is 3 NASDAQ contracts. If you're trading the micros, which I highly suggest you do, MNQ1 with the exclamation mark at the end, you can trade up to 30 contracts, more than you would ever need. Maximum drawdown. So you have to make 3K, but you cannot lose more than 2,000. If you lose 2,000, then you have to pay a reset fee of $79. So again, once you have the $99 a month, it's much cheaper because you only have to pay $79 if you fail. Then daily loss guard, you cannot lose more than $1,000 in a day. If you do, your account's locked out for the whole day until the next trading day. Consistency rule, 0%. So you can pass in legit 1 day. If you can make 3K in 1 day or in 2 hours and 1 hour and a minute, you pass the account. Max allocated, you can have as many evaluations as you want. Hold through news, yes, you know what that means. You can full port CPI news. Sorry to interrupt, just to let you know, I have a link down below. You can get a very nice discount on all funded account sizes. So if you want, follow along and let's get right back to the video. Now, once you hit that 3K, then automatically you're on the funded account because there's no activation fee. Minimum trading days. You need 5 minimum trading days to request a payout. Profit target, as much money as a human can make on the stock market. Scaling pan, when you first start out, when you get straight to the account, you're going to be able to trade 10 contracts and then buy your amount in the account. Then you start scaling. It's very reasonable. Don't even worry. It's not something you need to worry about. Maximum drawdown, you cannot lose more than 2,000 in the funded account. So just like the evaluation, but it is also a buffer. So say for example, you have 5,000 in the account. Well, then you can lose $5,000. So you have $10,000 in the account, then you can lose 10,000. So once you can surpass $2,000, then your buffer just starts adding on, which is absolutely beautiful. Profit target up to 10K in total withdrawals, then you have to start paying a 90-10 split. So you keep 90%, they keep 10%. But 10,000, you have plenty of time. Reset fee, of course, there's no reset fee because it is the funded account. Daily loss guard, you still cannot lose more than $1,000 in a day. But again, as I said, same thing with the maximum drawdown. That goes based on how much money you have in the account. So that's why you should always build a very big balance, get like, I don't know, like a 3K balance. Then your daily loss guard is going to start to increase and you're going to be able to lose more than a day, which means you can risk more, which means you can make more. So beautiful. Consistency rule. So 40%. So let me get the calculator out over here just to explain what the 40% consistency rule is. So for example, say you want to take a $4,000 payout. So $4,000 times 40%, you cannot make more than $1,600 in one single trading day. Say for example, you want to take a $2,000 payout. 2,000%. You cannot make more than $800 in one single trading day. So guys, this is very reasonable, very simple to follow. Simply have a preferred payout amount and just don't go over it. It's that simple. You can have a total of 3 accounts. So you can stack up 3 accounts and you can also hold through news with restrictions. You can all full port. Now, let's get into the real rules. Payout frequency. You can take payouts every single week. All what you need is a total of 5 winning trading days with a total of $200 in profit on those 5 days. Now, trading days required. 5 days per payout, must follow a 40% consistency. After 30 winning days of $200 plus, you can take out 100% of your account. Anything before that, it's 50%. Now, of course, you have a 90% split, but that is only once you reach a certain threshold in the account and you make 10K in total with the firm. Now, payout amounts. Minimum payout, $200. So, guys, you could legit make $200 on 5 total days, and you can lose all of it as long as you have a minimum of $200 in your account. Maximum you can take out for a 50K zero account, it's $1,500. That's your max you can take out. But don't worry, just because you have 3K on the account, not a problem. You just have to get a total of 10 winning trading days. So, guys, it's very, very simple. Anything before 30-day winning days, you can take up 50% of total payouts. After 30 winning days, you can take out 100% of your payout. But beware, if you take out 100%, your account automatically closes. So guys, I hope this video made sense. I hope you understand what the funded account actually is and what the rules are. Guys, down below, I have a link. You can get a very nice discount on all account sizes. So if you want to save some money, I have a link right down below. Other than that, leave a like, subscribe, and good luck on your funded, bro.